Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Pipedrive with Microsoft Teams easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Pipedrive website. Log into your Pipedrive account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to access the Pipedrive settings menu. In the settings menu, find and select the integrations option. Scroll down to find Microsoft Teams in the list of available integrations. Click on the Microsoft Teams integration option to open the configuration page. You will see an Install button to initiate the integration process. Click the Install button to begin connecting Pipedrive with Microsoft Teams. A new window will open, prompting you to sign in to your Microsoft account. Enter your Microsoft account credentials and click Sign In. Once authenticated, you will be asked for permission to allow Pipedrive access to your Microsoft Teams. Review the permissions and click Allow to grant access. You will be redirected back to Pipedrive, where you'll see a confirmation message that the integration was successful. Now, navigate back to your Microsoft Teams application. Open the channel where you want to receive Pipedrive updates. In the channel, click on the ellipsis icon to show more options. Select Connectors from the drop-down menu. In the Connectors menu, search for Pipedrive. Once found, click on the Add button beside the Pipedrive connector. Follow the prompts to customize how you want Pipedrive notifications to appear in Teams. Choose the events you want to receive notifications for and click Save. You have now successfully configured Pipedrive with Microsoft Teams. Check your Teams channel for Pipedrive updates to ensure everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, revisit the integration settings in Pipedrive and Microsoft Teams for troubleshooting. Your integration is now complete, enhancing your team's productivity and collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.